I miss you. I miss you. Grew up broke in the projects, Section 8, never ate out. Mama always worked late. When she was gone, I was home alone, boiling water for them cup noodles on the stove. Got tired of that same damn taste, started acting up. Ma, can we eat something that ain't paste? She looked sad, reached in the bra real slow, pulled out that emergency knife, she never let go. Ordered one pizza with the little bit she saved. I tore it up, cheese stretching for days, but mama ain't touch a single slice. Said she wasn't hungry, told me twice. Mama said she wasn't hungry, yeah right. She just wanted to see her baby boy smile that night. Yeah, 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 that's how we live it. That's how we cry it. Tears keep falling. Yeah, 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 that's how we live it. Heart keep breaking, but we still rise. 7th grade lunch period, everybody popping lids. Rich kid from the hills looked at my tray and flipped. Boy, what the f is that? Government cheese again. Whole cafeteria laughed, I felt it in my skin. Tears came quick, couldn't hold them back. He kept laughing, pointing, calling me whack. I lost it, swung on him, caught him clean in the jaw. Next thing I know, they dragging mama through them school doors. She's still in her work uniform, hair, net and all. Begging the principal, he ain't bad, he just small. Bowing her head to that rich boy's mom's, apologizing for something that wasn't even her fault. I just stood there, watching my mama take the fall. Against the world, finally saved enough to open a little soul food spot on the curb. Wasn't big, just a hole in the wall with 2 tables, but we named it after us. First letters on the sign.